live streaming from my Twitch account, right? No. All right. Well, anyways, warm up. Now, what do I do with these coefficients? When it's multiplying, you multiply like normal, the numbers in front, the coefficients, right? So 2 times 4 is what? Who said 10? 8, okay? 2 times 4 is 8. Now, the powers we said are going to add the powers. So, power, right? So the x squared and the x to the 5th, 2 plus 5, x to the 7th power. And then the y. Now, if there's a y with no power, what power is that? So there's a y to the 1, y to the 3. Add them up. What do I get? Y to the 4th. Multiply coefficients, add powers. So if anyone who was not here yesterday or was taking a test yesterday, does that make perfect sense? Sure? Because you didn't get the y down. All right. Number 2. Now this is new. Everyone look over here. That's why you're in the front. So anyways, on number 2. This is new because you haven't seen numbers as bases when we're doing this. So you need to know this one fact. And I don't want to have everyone asking me how to do this on the assignment because I'm telling you right now. Is everyone looking with your eyes? Okay? Everyone. Up front. Whenever we have the same base, you add the powers, right? The base doesn't change though, right? Like when I have x squared, x to the 5th, x to the 7th, the x is the same, right? So I'm telling you, even if they're numbers, the base is going to stay the same. It's not 9, it's not 27, the base is going to stay 3, okay? The only thing you do is add the powers. That's it. Because 3 is not a coefficient, 3 is the base. Okay, so 2 plus 3 plus 5 is what? 10. So it's 3 to the 10, and that's it. Now, could you get a really long answer from the calculator? Yes, but don't. I just want you to simplify it. That's it. You will have 4 problems like this. Can you do that? What are most people going to put wrong on here? 9 or 27 for the base. Okay, so last one for the warm-up. We did this yesterday. Is everyone paying attention? Okay, everyone? So, all right, so now, when we're dividing, we're going to divide the coefficients. So 4 over 12. What's 4 over 12? Not 3. 1 over 3, right? Make sure you write it as a fraction. 1 over 3. Now, we're going to start doing what with the powers or the exponents? Subtraction. Whenever you divide, subtract. Top minus bottom. So for my x's, I have 4 minus 3. What's 4 minus 3? 1. So x to the 1 is just x, right? Now, if you put x to the 1, that's okay, but... All right, y. So y squared minus y to the 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So again, y to the 1 power. Last but not least, z. I got z to the 1 minus z to the 2. What's 1 minus 2? Negative 1. That's right. So I can put z to the negative 1 on top. But, does everyone remember? I don't want negative powers. No negative exponents. No. So, here's what you got to do. You're going to bring that negative power down to the other side of the fraction bar. Okay? So everything else stays on top. The 1xy stays on top. Now, do you need to write the 1? Not really. Okay? It's implied. So x and y goes on top. If you write the 1, fine, whatever. On the bottom, 3 is still there. And that z to the negative 1 goes to the bottom as z to the positive 1, which is just z. So xy over 3z. Okay? Now all that's in the notes, which everyone either has taken, either you took them yesterday or you have a copy of them. If you can do these 3 things, then the assignment is stuff like this, okay? So I'm going to pass out the assignment, and we're going to get started on that. If you're done, turn it in today. If not, you can work on it, turn it in tomorrow for homework. And that is about it.